Hey everyone, it's Jacqueline from Telespark and welcome to Spark Science from Home. Today, I'd like to talk about sneezing. Sneezing, also known as sternutation, is when your nose gets tickled or irritated by things like pollen, dust, smoke, and pepper. Inside of your nose, there are these things called cilia. Think of it as a brush or a broom inside of your nose. Cilia detects foreign substances, sends a signal to your brain, and that's when a sneeze is activated. When you sneeze, you expel thousands and thousands of droplets into the atmosphere. Now more so than ever, it is so important for you to cover your sneezes, wash your hands frequently, and stay safe.